What if you could unlock powerful AI tools, including Nano Banana Veo 3 and much more, completely legally and without paying anything at the start? In this video, you're going to see exactly how to access Gemini Business from Google and test its full capabilities for free. Now, here is where it gets interesting. You go to Google and search for Gemini Enterprise or Gemini Business. Right away, you land on the official page built for businesses, not just everyday personal accounts. And this is where Gemini starts to feel different. Stronger tools, smarter features, more serious work power. You get access to advanced options like NotebookLM, deep research, and other professional tools designed to help you work faster and smarter. Scroll down the page, and you'll see the Business Edition section. This is the part that matters. This is the version made for business use, and it gives you a full 30-day free trial. That means you can test everything before you decide to pay anything. If it works for you, great. If not, you can simply stop after the trial. The next step is simple. Click Start 30-Day Trial. Then the sign-in window opens. You can use your Gmail account or any other email address. If you use your current email, Google will send you a verification code. Enter the code, click Verify, and your account activation moves forward. After that, Google may ask for a few basic details, like your account name or business name. You can choose a name that fits your project, your brand, or your company. You may also see an option to receive Gemini updates. You can turn that on or leave it off, depending on what you want. Then comes the best part. You wait a few moments, and once everything is confirmed, Gemini Business interface appears. This is where the real experience begins. From here, you can explore chat, search, the library, agents, and advanced features like deep research. You are not just trying another app. You are stepping into a business-focused AI workspace built to handle real tasks. And that is not all. In the main input area, you have control over how Gemini works. The model selector lets you switch between fast and more advanced modes, such as Auto, 3.1 Pro Preview, 3 Flash Preview, 2.5 Pro, and 2.5 Flash. This gives you the flexibility to choose speed when you need quick answers, or stronger reasoning when the task is more complex. On top of that, Gemini can help with content creation through tools like Canvas, image generation using Nano Banana 2, and even video creation with Veo 3. Let us test the creative tools. First, I will generate a random image with Nano Banana to see how it works. I am speeding this part up because generation takes time. As you can see, it produced a realistic woman's image. Next, I will use Veo 3 to animate the image. You describe in detail what you want to see in your video as a video prompt. We can ask to animate the video just for the sake of the example. After a few seconds, the video is ready. Due to safety limits linked to Google, it may not animate the exact same image, but you can still use Veo 3 in many different ways. You can generate prompts creatively with ideas from ChatGPT and paste it here. That is the full process. Official, legal, direct from Google. And you can use multiple emails after the trial ends using temporary emails, which is the best thing. So that's our topic for today. If you enjoy our content, hit that like button and subscribe for more video. Till that time, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.